Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I said in the last video I wasn't going to do this, but there's a few more tools that you get to use on this, and one of them is pretty cool how you figure something out. So I've got everything ungrouped. So, if you remember from the last video, these things were 0.43 apart. So to make this circle, because these are a little bit further apart than the others, we're going to change our nudge factor to 0.43. And we're going to grab those two. And we're going to Control D and we're going to make a duplicate and we're going to nudge them over. That's the starting point of our curve. Bring in an indexing line and have it snap to that center. Now, how do you snap to the center of this? Well, we know it's 0.43. So what's half of 0.43? Divided by 2 is 0.21. So now just get another indexing line and have it snap to the bottom and then nudge it down, and that's exactly in the center. Now we're going to group these together, Control G. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate and get that center rotation on that X right there, and sometimes you have to get off of it to come back. Now we have to rotate backwards, so it's a negative 45 degrees. Control D, Control D. That's all that's to that. That's how simple that was. Now, we might as well go ahead and finish. And if you look, we got, well, I went 0.71 from the center to measure that. We really need the edge. So what's the difference? Once again, it's your board. It could be, I don't even know what these holes are for. Maybe somebody will chime in. 0.58. Just remember that. So now we've got everything ungrouped. We're going to take these three and Control D and make a duplicate and just nudge them. They're not going to be close, but we could get our 4-point line holding down the control button so they'll stay perfect. Now change our nudge factor to 0.58. Grab our new, voila, you're done. Just a few strokes. Now, I said in the first video that his was good. I'm controlling G to group them together. I guarantee that they're going to be a little bit off. But I think the black one, mine, is more precise. They're on top of each other. They're really close. But see, he was using 0.29 that way and 0.28 this way. It doesn't really matter. Nobody's going to play a game with you and you go, hey, your board's off, mister. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.